play some songs for you. Pop Pistol.
Porque I play the drums.
I'm George, I play bass.
I'm Alex, and I play guitar and sing songs. And that's it. That's what we do.
We are Pop Pistol.
We are Pop Pistol.
I'm not gonna say it. It's like based on the bass and the drum as a big mushy dancing thing, and then on top is this constantly changing paint. I describe it that, spatial dance music. Grab some of the electronic stuff from like '97 period, Aphex Twin and jungle music of that period, and you kind of grab from the early '80s like YouTube guitar, and then you grab the bass of the '70s dub, and then you grab drum, like you just grab different pieces of different time periods and say this kind of resonates with me. So there's a lot of gaps we haven't gotten to yet, because this is where we are now. Right now, everything seems more based on world music and stuff like that.
I think the great thing about community, as far as what we've learned, is you get to share experiences with different people that are closest to you, your neighbors, people you interact with every day. And through those shared experiences, you kind of come out of it a more aware, informed person that allows you to have more influence in what happens as far as for us as musicians, being involved in the music community. And the best part about it is you interact with these people and they become part of the family of the band, or even things we do outside of the band just to help out with their causes. Just the constant interaction and networking just branches out to a big spectrum of people that you can reach and touch base with, and continue to educate yourself and be informed and have, it's never ending, it's constant.
And doing what we do, just because that's what we, that's how we spend our time. That's what we want to do with our lives anyway. It's those relationships and those bonds with the community just happen naturally, and I think that that's something that makes them stronger. And I think I can definitely see how that is playing out in our city, especially right now. There's a lot going on.
For a flyer or just even our CD, kind of a reflection of the music too, if you want to put in that terms, because you're not particular to one genre, so it's kind of hard. You can say how you describe ourselves. It's use 3 or 4 words. Same with the art. It's kind of what you see. It's not just one thing directly. Alex uses so many ideas put together, and it creates one nice canvas of the artwork.
I feel like the artwork, like he says, it gets there before the music. The whole entity of Pop Pistol is just this big work of art, and it's evolving. Like they're pulling each other, like the music and